So we got this HMI from a customer who reported that it was not booting up. After we investigated it, we found that it is booting. You can hear it beeps. It's just that the LCD has most likely gone. So we're going to strip it down, replace the LCD, and then it should be working. So we replaced the LCD with a new one. As you can see, it now boots up and works, ready to go back to the customer. So the two common reasons for an LCD to fail is ingress and age. They start to discolour and eventually just give out input.